Hello, YouTube. I'm wondering, you must be wondering why I'm doing this. I had to do the freaking thing of a stupid gumball machine over a million times. Okay, sorry about that. Please, sorry, I'm so sorry. No, just throw it with my candy machine. Just gotta get that wrinkle out. As you can see, can't get any money out. I mean, gumballs out. So what you have to do is this. Oh my gosh, stupid money. Not money. Sorry, for my money. Insert that penny in. I mean that nickel in. And then out comes the stupid gumball rolling over the stupid gumball. And here's your stupid gumball. Oh, that cracks me up. Okay, just to tell you, I have one today. I had two, but I have to do the thing over a million times. The stupid gumball. Oh, I can't get it for myself. Get some more money. Insert. Insert the machine. In the dial. Wait, what? What, the stupid machine? What, the stupid machine? Oh. Oh, finally the stupid gumball works and stays there. Stupid gumball. Okay, now I'm going to show you something cool. Okay. What? Okay, so, one more time. I mean, no, yeah. Now it's time to show you the cool part. Key. What you do to get the money out is this. Sorry, can't actually. Okay, this is actually a lock. So, see? People pull it, won't work. But, if you turn the dial this way, out comes your money. Jesus, that's a lot of money. Oh, man, I can't see well on cameras. Stupid money. Please watch this Lego suffering. Now, I'm just going to show you one more time. Stupid gumball. Likes to act like a Dumbo head. The stupid gumball likes to act like a jibber dick. Okay, here we are. Back on. I'll show you one more time. Insert. And that. And the stupid gumball keeps on rolling over there. Stupid gumball. Okay. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, enjoyed. And please, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry about the thing. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day. In a flash, I will be gone.